How to change font size in the Moomoo application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily change your font size in Moomoo. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Moomoo application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom of the screen from your home screen, and from your Me menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on General, and inside General, look for the font size option. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a little white slider. Go ahead and select your font size by dragging it towards the right or left, and you'll be able to increase or decrease your font size within the app. After you find your preferred font size, you can leave this page, and you have successfully changed your font size in your Moomoo app interface. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.